Dimension. Softer bristle nail brush, 3.7 inches by 1.4 inches by 1.0 inch, 1 pieces pink, 1 pieces purple. The stiffer bristle fingernail brush, 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, 1 pieces white, 1 pieces blue. It is portable and practical, eco-friendly and healthy. Two-sided nail scrub brush. Soft but stiff bristles, one side clean dirt under the fingernails, on the other side clean hands or feet, the top of nails, the face of fingernails, toenails and other place. Using double-sided nail cleaning brush can be easier to remove the dirty things and dust, and won't hurt the skin. Suitable place. Fingernail scrub brush is suitable for home, office, kitchen, bathroom, travel, garden, shed, sink, after gardening and other dirty handwork. It is convenient for you to clean dirt. High-quality material. Hand cleaning brushes are made of solid and durable plastic which are not easily damaged, and easy to hold. Soft but firm bristles can deeply clean dirt from your hands, nails, toes or feet and can prevent from irritating your skin. Small and lightweight. Fingernail scrubber brush won't take up much space, easy to store and take, you can put it in your travel bag or handbag. The brush is perfect size, and it is portable and practical. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for cleanups after painting, gardening, etc. These are just the ticket for nail cleanups, and at this price I am able to keep one by utility, kitchen and bathroom sink.